Did you know 1 in 5 homes owns a pet? Being an animal lover has never been more profitable than today. With the ever-increasing demand for pet care services, you can now make between $70,000 to $100,000 a year by taking care of furry friends. Imagine getting $25 for going for a walk with one dog. Now what if you did 2, 3, 4 dogs? That adds up quickly. You've now reached $100 in less than 1 hour. And that is just one possible way to make money by spending time with animals. Even if it's only a side business, you could still be earning thousands of dollars more each month. Welcome to The Stash. In this video, we are going to cover 7 side hustles or even full-time business opportunities to make thousands of extra dollars a month and even up to $100,000 per year by doing jobs that are tailored towards pets. Number 1. Cat sitter. If you're someone who loves cats or even just tolerates them, then getting paid to look after felines is a great way to make some extra cash. Cats are pretty self-sufficient animals, so they don't need nearly as much attention as a dog. Pet sitters are in high demand too. According to the American Pet Products Association, Americans spent an estimated $9.7 billion on pet sitting and other services outside of veterinary care in 2021. The best app for making money cat sitting is Meowtel, a local and insured in-home cat sitter app, where anyone looking to find someone to care for their cat can go. You can easily make $4,000 to $6,000 per month with this app if you do it full-time. But even if you cat sit more casually on Meowtel, you can still earn between $500 to $1,000 per month. If you have open availability, especially on major holidays, you can make even more. Becoming a Meowtel cat sitter is a 4-step process that takes around 10 to 14 days. All you need to do is create your free account, take the sitter questionnaire, complete your application and background check, and pass an easy sitter success quiz. And as an additional perk using Meowtel, you are fully insured and bonded, so you do not need to have your own insurance. And all you need to become a cat sitter is a smartphone and the Meowtel mobile app. This is an easy side hustle to take on in your free time. Number 2. Dog walker. Never before has it been easier for someone to make money walking dogs. This is due to the rise of dog walking and pet sitting apps that have hit the market in recent years, making the whole process a breeze. The top app for dog walking is Rover. You can easily earn $1,000 a month if you are a casual dog walker or dog sitter. And if you are willing to stay with the dogs overnight, while the owners are out of town, you could earn thousands of dollars more on top of dog walking. The more work you can book, the more money you can make. In fact, it's totally possible to make more than $6,000 per month on Rover if you have a good system and regular clients. There are many people who make between $60,000 to $100,000 a year using this app as their full-time gig. To maximize your earnings with Rover, offer overnight boarding in addition to dog sitting, and you will make twice as much money. The most lucrative business is dog boarding. Focus on returning customers. You're more likely to become a client's go-to person if you can locate clients who want you to continue taking care of their dogs. Work the algorithm. When you respond to messages and requests swiftly, you'll get better reviews and rank among the top service providers. Take photos to show others how much care and attention you give to animals, whether you are walking or sitting. And if you provide services for animals with disabilities, you might be able to charge extra if you can monitor puppies, watch senior dogs, or take care of dogs who have specific medical needs. Number 3. Sell dog treats. Dog treat making is an increasingly popular business venture with a dazzling future. Reports show that the global industry could reach an estimated value of $232 billion by 2030. That's huge. Plus, you have lots of choices when it comes to selling your amazing treats, such as pet stores, veterinarians, grooming salons, daycare facilities, neighborhood dog walkers, and online stores like Etsy and Shopify. If you love cooking and have a passion for dogs, starting your own dog bakery could be a great decision. Selling your own dog treats can be a great way to get started in the business world and earn some good money. A beginner could make up to $1,000 per month, while a full-time business based at home could bring in up to $8,000 per month. Having an accurate mailing list, a well-considered marketing and advertising plan, and the right customers with excellent quality products can help make your business thrive. Just like any other company, it requires dedication and hard work to be successful. Number 4. Pet Massage Therapist. For many people, pets are part of the family, and as such, they deserve their fair share of spoiling and pampering. Pet massage is a niche market that has seen tremendous growth in the past few years. Some of these businesses also offer acupuncture and hydrotherapy, as many pet parents are looking for ways to help their pets live healthier and longer lives. You can charge anywhere from $40 to $70 per session for each massage. The salaries of top animal massage therapists make $300,000 a year. It's important to do a bit of research to see if there is a market in your area for pet massage. Talk to vets, vet techs, shelter staff, dog walkers, and dog parents to see if people in your area would be willing to spend money on such a service. If the consensus is yes, then this would be a great business to get started. Number 5. Pet Groomer. Pet grooming is a rapidly growing business that can be very profitable for entrepreneurs. With a well-run pet grooming business, you can expect to see an impressive return on investment. According to some estimates, a successful pet grooming business can bring in anywhere between $75,000 to $150,000 in annual profits. With the right marketing strategy, focus on customer satisfaction and quality service, you can easily turn your pet grooming business into a lucrative venture. Pet grooming services are becoming increasingly popular, with the cost of each pet grooming ranging between $60 to $90. Number 6. Travel agent for pets. This one might sound a little silly, but hear us out. Animals are needing to be relocated for a variety of reasons, such as medical treatment, pet travel, adoption, or going on vacation. They may also be making long-distance trips to reach their new homes. Whatever the reason, animal transportation has become an important part of the global travel industry. Pursuing a career as a pet travel agent is a fantastic opportunity and is something you can do completely online from the comfort of your own home. Pet relocation coordinators can easily make $22 per hour, adding up to $3,500 a month. Number 7. Social media manager for pet celebrities. Louie the Raccoon, Pudgy the Chihuahua, Juniper the Fox, Jill the Squirrel. It's incredible how many animals have become internet sensations due to social media. From dogs and cats to bunnies and hedgehogs, these animals are not only beloved by their human families, but also adored by millions of fans all around the world. But what many people don't know is that many of these furry celebrities are managed by experienced experts who help them navigate the world of digital stardom. From crafting their image to creating content for their social media accounts, these experts have become an integral part of their success. There's a huge opportunity here if you have the skills to manage and run a successful social media channel. Pet owners of famous animals often don't have enough time to be active online every day, so your services are just what they need. For just one pet, you could make $5,000 a month managing their social media, and with a few more clients, that could easily bring you up to making $20,000 per month. Thanks for spending some time with us today at The Stash. If you found value in today's video, please don't forget to subscribe.